charge my heart up. Keep on coming my way till you got me all to yourself. Ooh, this might be good. Ooh, this might be good between you and me.
Good morning, guys. It's another day, and in today's vlog I want to show you how my life is like living alone here in Nairobi. So I just woke up, and guys, it's 7:46. It's 7:46. Now the good thing is where I work, like the company I work for, they're not that strict, but they're not strict like with time, blah blah, those kind of things. So I'm going to try get ready for the next 15 minutes, and then by 8:15 I think we should be heading out to work. So that will be my day, guys. Let's start the day.
Control, we're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing. Make fun of me for living in the past. I'm still recovering from what can never last. Please stop telling me I should be moving on. Don't want my heart to be back at square one. No one will ever be comparable to you. Don't think that I will ever see love from another point of view. 'Cause loving you feels so familiar. I keep chasing after something similar. Can't seem to find my bad habits when they smell just like your old jacket. I'll keep singing your same sad melody. Don't wanna learn a new song to sing. I'll be tangled up in this so familiar love. Been me a million lies to write a million songs. I'll sing you day and night till my voice is gone. Would you laugh if you could sing it now? I'm always looking past the new love to be found. Don't wanna waste all my time loving somebody new. 'Cause you remind me of the good times. You're mine, there's
Guys, I'm back home. The time now is 6:29. I don't know, even you can see it's 6:29, 6:30. So this is what I'm going to do. When I was coming, when I alighted, I found this top and I bought it. This one here, I got this one here, and I got this sweater here. So I'm going to wash these ones, hang them. But first, let's get changed.
This ain't forever, so hold me closer, 'cause we still have some time. Can't see the water past the vapor skies, but boy, I've seen those eyes before. They counted off all foot. I wanted, I needed, but catch me in and out your door. See myself wanting more. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat. Even in this weather, find us in between the sheets. Oh, you got me sweating in this summer heat.
Now that one part of my work is done, I'm going to soak the things that I'm doing for dinner. I'm going to soak them so that by the time I shower, they'll be ready.
Yeah, only for the show. Wait, was it always pretty in my dreams? Was it? I wanna taste you like sugar in my tea, but it's bittersweet, 'cause I know it's only for the show, only for the show. Only for the show, bittersweet. Only for the show, only for the show.
Today, guys, I've made the best salad dressing ever. I like it. So now, since I've finished literally everything, I'll finish eating and then I'll start working on a project of mine and watching some Netflix. So yeah, let's finish. Let me know what you had for dinner, guys. Let me know what you had for dinner, and let me know, do you do heavy dinner or light dinner? Because right now it's 2015. I don't know if my TV is right with that time. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's correct. Right now it's 8:15 p.m. This is typically like the time I usually have dinner. Sometimes I have it earlier, like 7 or 6. So let me know what you usually have for dinner. People have different. Maybe others prefer heavy dinners, and maybe they stay hungry, like they stay not eating the whole day, and then they can have heavy dinner maybe at 7 or maybe 6. Let me know that in the comment section below. Let me know if you are a ugali person, guys. Let me tell you, me and ugali, I do not, like, underline the word I do not, capitalize the words I do not like ugali. I do not like ugali. People tell me, hey, let's do ugali, and I'm like, whoosh, ugali. Don't like ugali. Anyway,
Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold. Feeling numb inside, and you're mine. Feeling want to breathe sometimes. Have no time to cry. I got you. I know you're tired. Try so hard. I got you. I give you warmth. I give you safe and sound. Oh yeah. I know you have your blue days. Try to get out your head. Try to understand how to make things work again.